Who told you that your life was supposed to be over after 50? Because that person was a liar. Somewhere along the way, people started believing that once you hit 50, all your biggest accomplishments are behind you. Your dreams have an expiration date. You're supposed to settle, slow down, accept whatever you have. I don't believe that for 1 second. In fact, I think your 50s can be the most important decade of your life. Why? You've already survived the hardest lessons. You've made mistakes. You've experienced heartbreak, lost people, made some bad financial decisions, trusted some wrong people. But you've also gained something you didn't have when you were 20, perspective. You stop worrying so much about impressing everybody. You stop chasing things that don't matter. And you begin asking better questions. What actually makes me happy? What kind of life do I really want from here? Who do I want to become? I know what it's like to think that you've run out of time. I've lost businesses, divorce, filed personal bankruptcy, struggled with my health for decades. There were days when I thought my best years were definitely behind me, and I was wrong. Today, I am healthier than I have been in decades, building a business with purpose, creating content that reaches millions of people all over the world, chasing my opportunities I never thought I would have, including television. None of that happened because life became easier. Happened because I stopped looking backwards and stopped building forwards. Here's the truth about starting over after 50. You're not starting from scratch. You're starting with experience. You're starting with wisdom. You're starting with lessons that younger people would kill for. The question isn't whether you're too old. The question, are you willing to believe there's still another chapter waiting for you? Because if you are, today can be the first page of that amazing chapter. Don't let your age become your excuse. Let it become your advantage. Your story ain't over. It may finally starting to get interesting. If you're rebuilding your life, no matter where you're starting, follow along. Type "I'm in the comments so I can see you following along with me. I really do believe the best chapter of your life is after 50. My name is Eric. I'm an accountability coach, and if you'd like to understand what that is, hit me with an inbox. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.